How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you some really useful One UI 6.1 features that you might not know about on your phone. With that being said, if you're a Samsung user, then I'm sure you learned something new and useful in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first let me show you a useful trick related to the camera app. If I open my camera, here you can see I've got all the zoom shortcuts to quickly switch directly from the viewfinder. And now I don't have to pinch my finger all the way just to click pictures using the 100x zoom. I have got 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x and even 100x shortcut right in front of me. Now if you want to get these extra zoom shortcuts on your S23 or S24 Ultra, all you need to do is simply install the camera assistant module which is available inside the GoodLock app. Now go inside and here you will get this option that says zoom shortcuts. By default only the 10x toggle is enabled. Simply go ahead and turn on the 2x and 100x toggle for quicker access. Not only this, if you click on high resolution setting, here you will see something called as upscale digital zoom. Now even if the resolution of your pictures decrease due to zoom, it will make sure to upscale images back to the resolution you selected. If you are an advanced Samsung user, then you might already know that we have a lot of hidden labs menus available inside the stock applications, and recently they have added another labs option which you can enable inside the Files app. First, you need to go to the Galaxy Store and search Samsung My Files. Make sure you have already updated and it is running the latest version, that is the version number 15.0.04.5. Now open the My Files app, click on this 3-dot menu, go into Settings, scroll down and select About My Files. Now just tap on this My Files text for 7 to 8 times and it says Labs option is enabled. Then if you go back, you'll get a brand new option that says My Files Lab. Simply go inside and here you'll see all the hidden options that are exclusive for advanced users. You can enable options like permanently delete button. So when you remove something from the Files app, you now have the option to permanently delete that item instead of sending it to the recycle bin, which is quite annoying sometimes. Next, you can turn on the data history. This allows us to make a report on which apps are occupying the storage. So when I tap on it, it gives a graphical presentation of the files that we have on our phones. So by just looking at the pie chart, you can easily check what are the apps which are using the maximum storage on your device. Next up, we got the files operation history, and when you click on this, you will see all the actions that you have taken inside the My Files app. It will show all the items which you have copied, moved, or even the new folders that has been created in the Files app. Then finally, you can also enable this option called Reorganize Folders. This will tidy up the folder that has over 100 files and it will surely reduce the time for finding files. So these are some additional features you will be getting inside the My Files app once you enable the Labs option. Now as we know, with the release of One UI 6.1, Samsung has added some useful editing tools inside the gallery application, and let me show you one interesting feature that I'm sure not many of you know about. Guys, if you have any black and white photos in your gallery, did you know you can easily add colors to those pictures with just a single click without the need to install any third-party app on your phone? Let me show you how to do that. Simply select any black and white image in your gallery. Now just swipe up and here you will get this colorize option. If you tap on it, the AI will add colors to that picture. As you can see, the results are really good, and the best part is you get all these powerful editing features built right inside your Samsung phone. Let's talk about my favorite One UI 6.1 feature, and that has to be the circle to search. This feature basically allows you to circle, scribble or tap anywhere on the screen to search anything on Google. But today I'll show you some more use cases. Now let's say you're watching a video on YouTube, and if you want to copy anything from the description or you want to open any link that is not clickable, then what you can do is just activate the circle to search, and now you can easily copy anything from anywhere on YouTube or even Instagram. Similarly, if you're watching content and you want to copy something from that video, you can do that as well with the help of circle to search. So instead of just using this feature to search anything on Google, you can do much more, and that's what I really like about Samsung's One UI. Did you know you can now add Instagram camera shortcut on your lock screen? As you guys know, on the lock screen, we can add 2 shortcuts at the bottom. All you have to do is just unlock your phone, go to app shortcuts. Here if you have already received the One UI 6.1, Then you will see the Instagram camera shortcut which was not there in the previous version. Once you set up this shortcut, just click on done and now you can directly access the Instagram camera from the lock screen itself. Since we are in the lock screen, I'll show you how to unlock 25 more additional clock styles to customize your lock screen. All you have to do is simply open the GoodLock app and install the clock face module. Just make sure it is running the latest version. Now go inside clock face, select lock screen and simply click on this plus icon at the top right. Here we have some beautiful unique clock styles which you cannot access directly from the lock screen. You can select whichever you like, then you can change the layout, add different colors, and there is an option to customize the date as well. Once done, just tap on save and finally you can apply that on your lock screen. So this is how you can easily unlock some additional clock styles and take your customization to the next level. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some hidden One UI 6.1 features that every Samsung user should know about. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.